Chef Pijo. Today we are going to make donuts and I'm going to take you through. Let's get started. We have our products. We have our flour, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, baking powder, blue band, salt, sugar. I have our oil. So I'm going to beat my eggs into this bowl. Beat them well. Then to this I'm going to add my sugar. The sugar we're going to use 5 tablespoons. But it also depends on how much you want how you want your donuts to taste. There are those who prefer to have a lot of sugar. Then our salt we are going to add a 1/4 tablespoon. Then I'm going to mix it. Then to this I'm going to add 1 1/4 of the baking powder. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. Then stir again. Before stirring, we're going to add blue band. We need a lot of blue band, so maybe it's 2 tablespoons. That large. Then we're going to this mixture. We're going to add our boiling milk. The milk, you should not add all of it, but you should add it gradually, so you continue mixing them. So my hands are clean. Make sure your hands are clean before you doing the dough. So as you can see, it is continuing to soften. So if the bowl is small, you may use this platform to knead it. As you can see, it's so soft. So now you're going to return it in the bowl, soften further. Then cover it with a kitchen towel for like 10 minutes. Guys, our dough is so soft, as you can see. So now I'm going to roll it. So now you're going to roll it to 1 centimeter thick. So I've kneaded it to 1 centimeter thick. Now you're going to make our donut circles using this. So to make the small holes, you're going to use a bottle top. Don't judge it, guys. So using the bottle top is so simple and effective, so I prefer using it. But there are other utensils that you can use. So I'm going to add flour to this tray. Then I'm going to place my donuts there. So this is the cuts. To a pan, we're going to add oil. Now you're going to let our oil to heat. So our oil is already, I've already gotten heat, so I'm going to add our donuts to it. Be careful when adding them. So you should keep turning the donuts until they are brownish. You can add some. Now they have started browning. Keep turning them. So some have already started cooking. I'm going to remove them. They have already cooked. Continue with the process. Make sure you continue turning them gradually. So guys, this is the end product. As you can see, it looks very tasty. Make sure you try this recipe for the best outcome. See you next time. Bye.